Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm due in court soon for being charged with obstructing the highway, and I'm planning to disobey the dock. I've been campaigning for the environment my whole adult life. I've been recycling, I've been cycling, I've been growing my own veg, I've been living off-grid, I've been signing petitions, I've been out on the streets demonstrating. I've tried every legal way I can possibly think of to change the way the government behaves, to get them to help ease the climate crisis and stop destroying the world, and nothing works. So all we're left with is rebellion. Rebel for life. I'm actually recording and live streaming this because I have no respect for this court. I have no respect for this court. You have no respect for the environment. You have no respect for international law, and I am showing disrespect to the court, and I have no intention of cooperating with you.
So if you know that's an offence, thank you.
I do know it's an offence, yeah.
Thank you. If you'd like to have a seat in the dock.
Okay, I'd love to, thank you. So I'm taking part in disobeying the dock today because I believe it's time to act. It's time for us all to stand up and be counted. The courts in this country have allowed, on appeal, the third runway to go ahead at Heathrow. That's such a massive crime compared to sitting in the road outside Parliament, which is what I did, in a desperate attempt to try and get the government and the other powers that be in this country to take note of the climate emergency. I'm nearly 60 years old. My whole life I've been trying to get them to stop by legal means, and now I'm left with no choice, I feel, but to try and use illegal means and to use non-violent direct action to try and get this government to stand up and take note. Here's a young man coming to talk to me. Hi, PC.
I'm from Lambeth Police Station.
Okay.
You know you're not allowed to live film in here, right?
I do, yeah.
And why are you live filming?
Because I'm making a protest.
No, do you want to follow me outside then?
No, I don't want to cooperate in any way at all.
No
with you. No.
You understand that might mean you may be arrested?
I don't mind what you do. I just want to make it clear I haven't got contempt for any individual people. It's the court that I am showing contempt to today. And I have no intent of cooperating at all.
Do you want to come out, please?
No.
Can you please come out and talk?
No, I'm not cooperating. I'm sorry, but I'm not cooperating.
You're going to have to leave the courtroom, so we'll deal with that first.
Okay.
Is that your bag, is it?
That's my bag, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to say ta-ra now because they're going to take me away. Okay. Bye.